It's just incredible. It's like so massive in person.
She's finished the student to the Michelangelo, yes?
Yes.
The first this church, it's Arrivador is the train station now. Yeah? But after the Mussolini, she's demolition from the Costruito the train
They
station.
changed it completely, yeah?
This is the Church of the Miracle, because the Pope, she's sweet, the Jesus Christ and the Madonna, the Maria, by night, is very, I don't know in front of us, it's very, very nice. It's sweet, the night, by night, the Maria, she's talking, look at, you constructed the church from me, from the, where? Don't worry, tomorrow you will throw the sign, what is the constructed, okay, and after she's
And that's it.
she's
She says,
and in the morning, here in the 14th August, here she's throwing the nave.
wow.
Yes. Look at front now. And here inside, she's the Papa Francesco, the Pope Francesco. She's Papa Francesco está aquí, para dentro.
Sí.
È muerto, no?
Así,
Sì.
Look how beautiful.
This is the this is the free church consecrated in the Rome.
Mira eso. Con tanto en la iglesia aquí, con drogas y todo eso, yo no entiendo eso. Muchas iglesias,
Lo so,
muchos pueblos y todo de borrachos.
pero tienes cualquier... lo sé, por eso el inmigrante ninguno le toque, porque ya está el Vaticano.
We're about to eat at Los del Boschetto, and I just wanted to record. I do have permission. We just checked in with her. It's a beautiful window. We were looking for some authentic Italian delicious pizza because our hotel had a restaurant that was like right next door, but the hotel concierge kind of pulled us aside and said, listen, you know, it's a French business and their pizza's good, but I don't think it's what you're looking for. If you want some true authentic Italian pizza, and then he directed us to here. So this is really cool. And this is where we go. Let me just show you the menu. So this is, oh, that light is kind of glaring, but yeah. So I think that this is going to be delicious, and I think that's really cool. She let me record her making pasta. So yeah, now I'm going to go in and join my party. BRB.
¿Y se habla italiano?
Finished product. Beautiful. Thank you. So we made it to the Coliseum. Of course, is where they had live entertainment, fighting way back times. You get to see everything.
Arrivederci Roma. Goodbye, goodbye to Rome, city of a million moonlit places, city of a million warm embraces, where I found the one of all the faces, far from home. Arrivederci Roma. It's time for us to part.